Hello, today we are talking about the heavy cooling system. We specialize position the condenser at the bottom of the chamber. This is used to prevent the condenser flux dripping on the PCB board. But it will make a question. How do we cool the components on the PCB board? We make another design. Follow me. As you can see here, this four box is called the reflow box. Its connection is connected with the plate on the upper side. And this is the tunnel for the cooling air. It will make sure the cool air not only out from the central but also push through the tunnel to the upper side. And it makes sure the both sides has cool air to cool at the same temperature. On the other hand, we also make the quick release construction for the convenience of operator.